Here we come to another elevator that serves one more floor at the highlights at Houston Center in downtown Houston, Texas. You remember this elevator right here, right? Well, despite that they repainted the doors white, it used to be black. But I have good news. See, this is the exact same call button what the main elevator originally had. And the elevator just went up, so there might be somebody inside. Oh, there's no one in it. What do you know? Look at this, guys. The only remaining original Lexan. Oh, I love that chime. There's offices right here, so I'd much rather not get off here. I'm so glad this elevator's still original. We're gonna do a full silent trip going up and back down. Back down to 4. Definitely worth checking out. My camera's just lost the focus for some reason. All right, there it goes, and that's it.